the Eskute Netuno. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we're going to look at the Eskute Netuno electric bike. This is how the bike comes in when it's delivered, and it's packaged well with the plastic and foam protecting it. Assembly is required, and I have included a general video from the company for reference in the description box below. With the bike, you get the charger, pedals, tools, and display. Just to highlight the assembly process, basically you have to install the handlebars, install the display, install the front wheel and front light, install the pedals, attach the seat, and adjust the brakes if needed. And briefly going over some specs, this comes in two colors, black or blue. The bike has an aluminum alloy frame, Bafang 48 volt 500 watt hub motor with 750 watt peak, and has 45 Newton meters of torque. 48 volt 15 amp hour removable battery with Samsung and LG cells. Backlit LED display with app integration. 5 pedal assist levels, a thumb throttle, 60 mile range, 22 mile per hour top speed, Shimano 7-speed shifter, front lights. It weighs in at 55 pounds with a max load of 275 pounds. And here is a look at the overall dimensions. A walkthrough around the bike, you'll see that the front has a front light, 27.5 by 2.1 Kenda tires, mechanical disc brakes, and front suspensions. Towards the middle and the back, you can see the battery, the charging port, the kickstand, and the rear mechanical disc brakes. On the other side, you have the 500 watt Bafang motor, 7-speed cassette, and rear derailleur. On the right side of the battery, you have the battery keyhole and the battery on and off switch. Looking at the handlebar area, you have the brake levers, the bell, control, LCD display, thumb throttle, and gear shifter. To power up the bike, ensure that the battery switch is in the on position. Then you can press the power button on the control. Pressing the up arrow button will increase the pedal assist levels, 1 through 5, and pressing the down button will decrease it. A quick tap of the power button will activate the headlight. Holding down the down arrow for a few seconds will engage the walk assist feature. As mentioned, this has app integration, and once you're connected, you can see the battery levels, mileage, adjust screen brightness, and units of measure, just to name a few. Now I'll show some footage of the bike in use. I'll test it out on rough terrain, show the different pedal assist levels, throttle, test the brakes, see how it does uphill, downhill, and then give my thoughts. Now time for the rough terrain test. I'm going to take it down this bumpy trail. Let's see how it handles. This does have front suspension forks. Okay, let's go. All right, it's absorbing the bumps all right. Doing a fairly good job here. Now I'm going to test out the pedal assist levels. This has 5 levels. I'll start off with 1, then go all the way to 5 and see how fast each level goes. After that, we'll just use the throttle and see where that tops off at. Okay, pedal assist 1. All right, we're at 10 miles per hour on pedal assist 1. Moving to 2. You can feel it pick up there. About 12 miles an hour on pedal assist 2. Pedal assist 3. Hitting about 15 miles per hour. Number 4. About 18. And number 5. So it looks like about 21 to 22 on pedal assist 5. With the pedal assist levels, we got up to about 21 to 22 miles per hour. Now I'll just use the throttle. All right, we're at 15 miles per hour already. 20. So it looks like it's topping off at 21. So we hit 22 and then now it's holding 21. So 21 miles per hour with the throttle. Now I'll test out the brakes. I'll take it to max speed, and once I come into view, I'll hit the brakes and you can use the parking lines as reference. Now I'm going to do the uphill test. This road has a nice gradual incline throughout. I'm just going to use the throttle. Let's see if it can maintain the speed or if it loses speed. All right, here we go. All right, nice gradual acceleration. Motor is very quiet. We're at 21 miles per hour already. So let's see if it can maintain 21 or if it's going to lose some speed here as we begin the uphill. All right, looks like it's still holding 21. All right, we're holding 21 miles per hour. We didn't lose any speed along the way there. Okay, approaching this turn, let's see how it does. Nice and steady. All right. All right, going uphill, that was impressive. You know, typically when I test out the bikes, it loses a few miles going up, but this one held the 21 miles per hour. So let's see how it does downhill. We're definitely gonna pick up some speed, and I'm gonna have to slow it down as we approach that turn there. All right, throttle only, downhill. All right, we're at 22 miles per hour. Just letting it glide here in this turn. All right, so it's holding about 21 miles an hour. Here are my thoughts on the bike. The build and quality is decent. Frame feels solid and sturdy, and it's not too heavy. There were no scratches or imperfections with the paint, and it has a nice glossy finish. The cables are organized well and it runs through the frame. The ride was smooth and comfortable. The saddle is wide and not too hard. There were no rattles, vibrations, or noises, and the steering felt stable. It handled the rough surfaces pretty well with the front suspension forks and the mountain bike style tires. The motor had good power and it was able to tackle the incline with no speed loss, as you saw from my testing. Using the pedal assist on level 5, I was able to reach 22 miles per hour. With the throttle only, I reached 22 miles per hour as well. I did find the thumb throttle to be a bit finicky, as the response is not immediate at times. It has an estimated range of up to 60 miles, and this will depend on the pedal assist level, throttle usage, weight, and environment you're in. The brakes I found were a bit underpowered and can use more stopping power and grab. I would have preferred to seen hydraulic brakes. The LCD display is integrated well with the bike, and it's not too big. It's bright and intuitive and has the app integration. Overall, the bike performed, and it could be a good choice for the trails or just urban riding. So that is my review of the Eskute Netuno electric bike. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.